beautiful people. You are on to Aria's Lifestyle TV, and I'm back here again. And I want to say thank you to my returning subscribers. And if you're new here, like this is the first time you're watching any of my videos, you're welcome, and just hit on the subscribe button so that we can all enjoy all the goodies that has been on this channel. And don't forget to watch any of my videos again if you have not done that. Alright, so I just want to get into what I have for you guys today. This is what I have for you today is not totally different from what video I put out on my channel. I know if you have been following my videos for a long time now, this wouldn't be new to you, and I feel like it's time for me to enlighten you guys more on this. I think it was just only one video I had on my channel concerning this, and I've been getting questions concerning it, so this is like an updated version of that. So today I'll be talking about something related to beauty. Don't worry if you're a guy, this also concerns you. You don't have to shy away from it. And what will I be talking about is how to know if you are experiencing a chappy lips. And what is a chappy lips? It's just grammar. It's something very simple. It's something we experience or notice. I don't want to say normal, but it's what you would have had before. So when we talk about chapped lips is that kind of cracky feeling and dry feeling that your lips have. Sometimes you can just wake up and you notice that your lips are so dry and they're like breaking. It feels like they want to break into two, like they're tearing up. So that kind of situation is called chapped lips. So that is when you can say your lips are chapped. So if you've experienced that, that means you've been having this chapped lips. Yeah, it's not something you just experience on your lips just like that. There must have been some prior situations, some prior stuff that must have happened, and is now having the physical effect on your lips. Yeah, so today I'm going to be telling you what are the things that can cause this chapped lips. What are the things that you've been doing, or maybe you don't even know that that this is what can cause it, or this is what might even lead to you having chapped lips. So I'm going to explain it in this video. All right. And also, I remember that I made a video concerning this lip situation and all of that. I've experienced it before. The video was really short. I didn't do so much explanation on this, but in this video I will be talking about all of that. Do you know that constant exposure to dry air can cause your lips to dry out? Yes, especially in this kind of weather that we are. If you are in Nigeria, everybody is experiencing a harmattan by this time, and even if it is winter, you know that you have less humidity and you'll be experiencing a lot of dry hair. So at that point, your lips, your skin is exposed to this kind of weather condition, and it affects your lips so much. Basically, you're just sensitive to the drop in moisture in the weather condition. So that might be one of the reasons why you're getting chapped lips. That's why your lips are drying out and all of that. So take note of that. Next time I just wake up and feel like your lips are peeling, or it's so dry and cracked. So what I'm going to say next might actually shock some people because it's like their habits, and let me cast myself too. Anyway, so one of the reasons why you might be experiencing chapped lips or your lips drying out is because you lick your lips a whole lot. Yes, licking of your lips so much can actually cause your lips to dry out. How does that correlate? How is that? Yes, I'm going to explain to you, right? So your saliva contains enzymes that are meant to break down proteins, carbohydrates, and all of that, and your lips actually contains that. So it's literally that you are digesting your lips when you lick your lips regularly. All right, so your saliva saps out the moisture on your lips, and that can cause your lips to dry out. So you see, and when your lips is dry, what happens? It becomes cracky. It begins to get the drying feeling, and it begins to peel. So from that, your lips get chapped. So next time when you're feeling the urge to lick your lips a lot, I mean, some people feel like it's one, especially guys, like it's one big boy thing where like, you know, lick your lips. Guy, you're just drying out your lips, so for real, and that would cause your lips to get chapped, and from that, you know, begins to peel and tear, and dark lips is setting. So are you the type that you love taking salty foods? I mean, when I mean salty foods, you know, these chips that contain salt on the outside. There are some snacks that, you know, they're kind of salty. If you are a big fan of that, that might be the reason why your lips are peeling. Yes. So how is this? Salt absorbs water a lot. So when the salt, you know, ends up on your lips, it dries out the moisture that's on your lips. Yes. Alright, so having, you know, salty food sometimes, you know, can cause your lips to peel out. Talking about spicy foods too, if you take spicy foods a lot, you know, it can irritate your lips and, you know, just cause water loss and the lips just dry out. That's just it. It's like as simple as that. So salty foods, spicy foods, too much can actually cause your lips to, you know, peel out, and you just have these chapped lips like that. That's simple. Yeah. So another reason why your lips are drying out, peeling, is because, you know, there's a deficiency in some vitamins. Like you are lacking some certain kind of vitamins. And what vitamins am I talking about? When we talk about vitamin B here, that might be the reason why you're having chapped lips. So I mean, it might result as, you know, having some kind of rash around your lips. This vitamin actually helps your body with cell growth, healing, and, you know, the cell turnover and all of that. So if you're lacking vitamin B12, you know, it will cause slow healing and cause dryness of your lips. Yeah. So another vitamin that, you know, having lack of it can actually cause your lips to dry out is vitamin C. But this one is rare because, I mean, most of our meals, our diet, I'm sure that one way or the other we have vitamin C in it, so it's rare. So some medications can actually dry out your lips, you know. Talking about maybe you're using antibiotics, some specific kind of you know, drugs can cause your lips to dry out. It can actually be its side effects, so it's nothing to really worry about. So maybe you're using some kind of drug, it's not limited to antibiotics actually. So if you're using some kind of drugs and you're noticing that your lips are drying out, it might be as a result of that drug that you're using. Another reason why your lips can be chapped is if you're exposing yourself to too much of sun rays. I mean, the sun is frying your lips and it can lead to, you know, a peeling, the irritation and all of that. So that can also cause your lips to dry out. Another one is if you are dehydrated. You know, it's just lack of moisture basically sometimes that cause all of these things. So if you're dehydrated, it would result to your lips drying out and, you know, it feels cracky and it just results to you getting chapped lips from nowhere and you're like, why are my lips feeling this way? Yeah. Okay guys, so having a chapped lips is not really a terrible condition, okay, because your lips are naturally dry. What amuses me is that your lips don't have oil glands, so you can see the reason why you don't even have pimples on your lips. Yeah, your lips don't have oil glands, so it is difficult for your lips to retain moisture, right? So anytime you feel like your lips are cracky, they are chapped, just know that at that point, you know, your lips are lacking moisture. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to talk more about how you can prevent this, so you need to watch out for that video on my channel because I'll be talking extensively on how you can manage having a chapped lips. All right, so there's nothing to worry about. Okay, let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, if you've had, you know, to be in the situation of having a chapped lips before, or you're experiencing it just about this time. Yeah, I would love to know. Please give this video a like and yeah, don't forget to drop your comment. So I'm sure that you have learned something in this video, and it has shed more light on some things that you don't know. Yeah, and if this is the first time you are here, please hit on the subscribe button, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that when I upload this video, you are going to be the first person to get notified. All right, thank you guys for joining me today. I will see you in any of my videos, because I know that you are going to go ahead to check any of my videos now, like right now. All right guys, see you, bye.